So we here in Clovis, California, we just finished abandoning an old water softener that sat here on the side. It got piped from over the fence, from the water main, which is sitting right there. Anyways, hard water coming in, and it looped underneath the fence, came back and tied back into the home. And it's been offline apparently for a while, so they wanted it abandoned mainly because the unit was draining. It's supposed to dump about 70-80 gallons a week. This was it was constantly dumping water out of this black hose, which goes over to a drain somewhere. I don't know where they ran it, so I can't abandon that for you. I do know you got a white wire down there, which is, can't remember what that is, but we didn't touch that wire. Black wire, that goes through the wall on the other side. Over there you can see that wire comes in, it goes through the wall. That's probably the adapter that plugs in. Make sure that's not plugged in, because you don't want to plug something in. There's nothing on this end. I did put some wire caps on those, but if you wouldn't mind, just go ahead. I mean, you can unplug that adapter, and you can either cut at both ends, pull it through, silicone it closed, whatever you want to do, but we can't get into the garage because the homeowner's not home, so that's just going to stay like it is. The drain hose, again, it's got to go somewhere and tie into a sewer. We can't see it, so we can't abandon it. It's supposed to go into the sanitary sewer system, so don't know where that goes either. We'll look around a little bit out front, but I mean, if we can't find it, we can't abandon it. You know, it's just open right here. So anyways, 2 shark bite fittings, close to close, capped it off. Water's just looping through there now. If you ever decide you want to do something in the future, you certainly can come back out here and put something else in. I'd put it up on the deck, honestly. They have new filtration systems that were a lot better than the one you had installed. But anyway, sorry about the mess back here. That when you let those things sit, that salt or potassium sits in there, and it just it turns orange and slimy, and so be careful back here. You know, we wiped it up the best we could, but you know, to get that unit out of here, we had to dump the water. So anyways, you know, your plants will grow back. It looks, so you can see a little bit, they got a little bit pushed back, you know, water flowing off the edge, but just let everything dry out and it should be fine. Main thing is, water is onto the home. I'm going to call you real quick when I get done, just to make sure that you want the water on. The reason being is, if you left the home and anything was running, a tub, a sink, anything like that, and you know, and the water was off, now it's on. And it's fine, you know, you're going to waste water, but if something backs up, the sink backs up, the tub backs up, something like that, you know, you have flooding in the home. So I'm going to call you real quick after I take this video and see if it's okay to leave the water on. If not, you know, the shutoff valve's right out here. It's that 1/4 inch and a quarter gate valve, you know, multi-turn left for on, multi-turn right for off. So anyways, we're done out here. We got that unit. We got to take and dispose of it now. Outside of that, this installation is done.